If you've ever wondered where your CapCut project is saved on a Windows 11 PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your CapCut project files, whether you want to recover a draft, back up your work, or simply locate the folder on your computer. This is especially useful if CapCut isn't opening the project the way you expected, or if you want to move your edit to another drive. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. The first method is the fastest one, and it works for most local CapCut drafts. CapCut stores your editing projects inside a hidden system folder on Windows, so you won't usually find them in a normal documents folder. To get there quickly, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box, which is one of the easiest ways to jump straight into hidden app data locations. Now in the Run box, type %locale app data %, then press Enter or click OK. This opens the local app data folder for your Windows user account. From here, you'll want to look for the CapCut folder. Open CapCut, then go into User Data, then Projects. Inside Projects, you should see a folder with a name similar to CSYOMLV-editor.draft. This is where CapCut keeps local project draft data on your PC. Once you open that folder, you'll notice a set of numbered folders. Each numbered folder usually represents one project draft. These folders contain the actual timeline data, metadata, and local cache files for your edits. One of the important files you may see is draft content JSON, which helps store project information and edit details. If you're trying to identify which folder belongs to which video, the folder dates and contents can help you narrow it down. This method is great if you're looking for a manual backup or trying to recover a draft after CapCut closes unexpectedly. You can copy the entire folder to another location to keep a safe backup of your project files. Just remember not to delete anything unless you are absolutely sure you know what it is, because the project data is stored across multiple files inside that folder. Now let's go to the second method, which is the best option if you want to verify the exact save location from inside CapCut itself. This is especially helpful if you changed your save path or if you want to confirm which folder belongs to your current active project. First, open your project inside CapCut PC. Once the project is loaded, click on an empty area in the timeline window so nothing specific is selected. This is important because you want CapCut to show the project details instead of clip-specific settings. After that, look at the Details panel on the upper right side of the screen. In that panel, find the line that says Save To. This line shows the exact folder path where your current project is saved on your hard drive. If you ever need to find your project files again, this is the most accurate place to check. Next to that path, you should see a folder icon. Click that folder icon and CapCut will open the location directly in Windows File Explorer. That means you don't have to guess, search manually, or dig through multiple folders. You can go straight to the project's location, then make a copy, move it, or inspect the files as needed. If you're backing up your work, this is the safest way to make sure you're grabbing the correct project folder. So to recap, if you want to find your CapCut project on Windows 11, you can either use the hidden app data path through Run or open the project in CapCut and check the Save to location in the Details panel. The first method is useful for browsing all local drafts, and the second method is perfect for confirming the exact folder for the project you're currently editing. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, Windows tutorials, and easy editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.